Well, well, today we've been here to celebrate Eid, a belated celebration of Eid, and also a coming together of the executive team of Jirra. As you all know, Jirra has been established about a year ago. In a month from now, we are going to celebrate our first year anniversary. At this point in time, we just come together and remember the things that we've done, the things that we stand for, the things that we hope to do in the coming year. And as everybody knows, and you can also check this on our website, Jirra is a permanent humanitarian fund for Oromos. Oromos are people who have been under struggle for many years, for a century and a half. We are a people in resistance, as we always say, and as a people in resistance, we've got lots of problems, and our peoples are evicted from their land, dispossessed. Some of them are refugees, and hundreds of thousands of millions are in refugee camps today, and many are, our country is at war at this point in time, and because of the war there are many people who need medical attention, and we are here to say Jirra for all of them. We try to mobilize funds, we try to convert our number into power, and we try to send some money, some relief, emergency relief for those who need medical attention, a legal defense fund for those who need legal defense, and a resettlement fund for those who have been evicted and displaced, and so on and so forth. We also do some humanitarian advocacy work. We do some kinds of petitions, campaigns, social media campaigns, media campaigns to make sure that the humanitarian crisis that Oromos face for the last 3-4 years are actually given voice and is heard across the globe. So at this point in time, since last year we were established, we're about to be a year, we have gathered around 100,000 from small contributions. And with the small contributions, as we say, we make huge differences. $1 a day saves a life, and $1 a day builds a nation. $1 a day, in fact, helps us to hold hands with each other. And that's our motto. And with $1 a day, over the last 1 year, from among 130 members, we have managed to mobilize about 100,000, and we have actually spent over 65,000 of it, and we are still spending. And that was a huge difference for our peoples. The amount of money we spent is so small compared to the level of help we have been extending to our peoples. And this is extraordinary for us. In my entire lifetime, if there was a time when I've done something and made a concrete difference on the ground, this is it. And I can't tell you how gratified I am with this team. Together, about 5 or 6 of us, we've done an extraordinary job. And we have seen for the first time that when we come together, when we hold each other's hands, and when we want to say Jirra, when we want to say we are here for our people, we can really make a difference. And so I think it is important for us to be organized, mobilized, coming together and trying to bring our resources together and become powerful. And as we have always said, Jirra is an idea. It's an idea of coming together, an idea of being organized, an idea of being a powerhouse for our people, to stand up for our people, to be there for them, not just for those who are suffering from humanitarian crisis, but also for our people as a whole. And of course, this thing as an idea brings us together as citizens of Oromia, as citizens, because it imposes on us a citizenship duty. $1 a day is not too much, but it is a gesture, a symbol of our being as Oromos, all of us, our being citizens. So it is in that spirit that we come together and we do these things, and we hope that in the days and weeks to come we'll be speaking a lot about these things, and we are going to mobilize more people. And recently, in about a month, we are going to have a demonstration, a big rally, to do a humanitarian advocacy and to bring people together to be a voice for our people who are suffering from humanitarian crisis during this wartime. So it is an idea, an idea about mobilizing people, organizing people, an idea that helps convert our number into a reckonable, a recognizable force. And that is what we plan to do, and we hope that many more Oromos will join us, many more millions will join us, and once they join us, we will be a force to reckon with, a force which is ever present for our people. Thank you.